First of all, I want to say that I'm not a financial expert, I'm not an investment expert, I'm just a regular guy doing his normal stuff. But if you're someone that is thinking of starting investment, I mean, you want to start investing your money other than leaving them in bank and they just taking charges from your account. Like, I personally faced that challenge. I always get debit alert from my bank, and I was actually thinking if there is something or some way I could do and keep my money without receiving all these unnecessary deduction from my money. So I figured out to do some research and get stockbrokers that would help me invest my money. Now, after I've made my research, I was able to look up and see a number of stockbrokers like IBTC, Chapel Hill, ARM, Sigma Security Limited, and a number of others. But there was one I was able to start up with. I'm still going to explore the rest and see how their services offer. So in today's video, we are looking at Optimus, which is an extension of Afrivest. Okay, so Afrivest is a stockbroker company. I mean, they've been in the business for over 30 years plus, so I just guess I could just work with them. So I'm going to show you a walkthrough on how we can start investing in Optimus. So let's get down to the video. My name is Stanley Chima, by the way. So here I'll go to the official website and sign up. Now you can also do this with the app. I actually registered mine with app, but later started using it on the PC since I kind of love using PC to do a lot of things. So sign up is very simple. You can use your email and phone number. So here I'll choose a password and then this. So for this, I will leave it as it is and then click on this and then create account. And here I must use a phone number. So for the phone number, I'll go ahead and put my number. I'm selecting here Benin Republic because that's where I'm currently at. So I'll choose my number here. So click on create account. Okay, so here an OTP has been sent to my email. Let me go ahead and open the email. So here is it. I'll click on it and go ahead and verify. So here I have a code. I'll simply copy this code and then use it here. Alright, so this code worked, and then click on let's go. That will be all. Signing up, and let me log in. I don't want notifications. Okay, so here it's the few things you need to know. You need to have your BVN ready for you to actually use the platform properly. So you need to do your BVN, then do your KYC, which are very simple. Now I wouldn't go over this because I already have an account, and I don't think they allow you to use two accounts. I would have done the whole thing step by step, but it's very simple. You click on verify VBN, your VBN, and put it, and simply click on verify, and they verify it instantly. Then your ID, then after that is going to take you to your ID. So you use any valid ID you have. I used NIN for mine. You can use your driver's license or passport. It's gonna work and then set up your next of kin. I think this one, incoming trade experience, just some questions if you're already trading or you don't have any knowledge. So that's just it. But then you set up your next of kin and then set up your payouts bank, which I mean, these things you can do them under 5 minutes. Very, very simple. Then that will be all. Once you're able to complete your KYC, you can actually start investing without completing this. I mean, it doesn't stop you, but once you're able to complete it, you would have full access to some certain things like being able to invest in dollars. I think within 24 hours you verify your KYC, and I think at some point you would need to either send your bank statement or something like that. So but you will see it. I think you should just have your bank statement ready and to use, or your address. Yep, I think your home address should make do. So that is it here. So let's just go and take a quick look on how you can start investing. Remember, like I said, I'm not an investor expert. I'm investment expert. I'm just a regular person that is looking for a way to, set up some money and see it grow per time. So here in the home, you would have, okay, I will do this later. You would have your Naira portfolio and your dollar portfolio. I think you have about 3 wallets. Yep, if I'm not mistaken, you have about 3 wallets. So let me go to wallet first of all. Wallet. So here you have the wallet. You have, okay, Naira and dollars, but I think it turns up to 3 when you start investing. Once you create your dollar trading card. Yep, yeah. But anyway, for now, you will see about 2 wallets rather. One is dollar and one is Naira. So you can start by funding it. You can fund it and swap it to dollars. So if I click on swap for here, so like you can see, I need to create some information about myself, and you can't really do. Let me see if you can even fund without that. Let me go back to wallet. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to wallet and see if I can fund. If I click on fund, so it doesn't really allow. You need to provide at least your BVN before you can continue with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'll simply come to my account. So here's my account I'm already using. I'm just gonna log in very quickly. All right, so here you can see I have a total net worth of about 25,000 naira. This both in dollars and in naira. I just calculate it together. I've not actually made some investment in dollars. I've not bought some shares rather in dollars, but let me just take you the overview. So here you have different ways of saving money. You can just do outright savings, which I did. Then you can just simply leave money in your wallet and you get a certain percentage. Think is 0 point something percent of your money just by leaving the money in your wallet. I mean, you didn't put it into, you didn't make any savings, you didn't buy any shares, you didn't do anything at all with your money. They still give you some certain percentage of your money. So if I click on wallet here, you would see here I have Nigeria. Yes, like I said before, it should be trading. That's US. Once you put money into your US wallet, you would have this trading, the money you can use to trade, and the money that will just be on your wallet. That is safe. Nothing happens to it. You can withdraw instantly. Okay, so for here, let me go back to Nigeria. Here you can fund your wallet. Simply click and then you have option. You can use Naira account, that should be transfer. Okay, so here is already my bank details. Here is the detail. So what happened here is if I copy this and go to my bank app and send money to this account, is Wema Bank. This will be the name of the account holder. Any money I send there, within a minute, less than a minute, it appears on my wallet here. I will just see it here. Like you can see, this is how much I have on my wallet here, and don't actually keep money a lot on wallet in my wallet. So I can click on withdraw, and then within 12 hours the money will enter my bank instantly. I mean, very quickly, as fast as 24 hours. Or I can click on swap. And once you click on swap, this is when you want to change the money to dollar to buy US stock. If you see, so this is the rate, this is the selling rate. So 1,601 naira is the amount you sell, but if you want to buy 1,641. So if you click on accept, and simple. I don't have money on my account now. I would have simply swapped it. So it's as simple as that. So that is it. Then if you had money on your US account, it's still the same thing. I only have 0.1 dollars here. I've already used them to do some, here are some transaction histories I've done. So that is it. You can also click on swap and change your US dollars to naira. So don't bother about having any US card or anything. Then I think the virtual card is not yet active. It's still coming soon, which will be very, very helpful if you buy things online. So now let's take a look at portfolio or US stock. Now you might not be able to see this US stock if your account is very new. I think it takes about a week or thereabout. I think mine stayed about a week before I was able to start doing anything. But let me just check. This is the account I just created for this video. So let's check here and see under portfolio. Yep. No, let me just check home. I'll do this later. So I have US stock new. So you have to request to join or something like that. So on the wait list, I think it takes about a week or so, but just make sure that your KYC is completed so that you can have full access. Okay, so this is for US stock, but I'll come back to this US stock. I think let's start from that of naira, how you can actually invest your money. So if you check on this invest, we have mutual funds. The naira stock is coming. If you want to invest into stock, naira stock, you can use their other app. That should be AfriVest. Think so. I think something like that. AfriVest. I think that's the name of the app. Their app or something. Afri something. I'll definitely put it somewhere in the screen or at the end of the video so that you can use it if you want to invest into stocks, Nigerian stocks. But here you can put your money into mutual fund, which is actually the first thing I did. And you can go ahead and do your research on what mutual funds are. I wouldn't explain that now. So click on explore naira mutual funds. So this is just how much I have in mutual fund. I just put in small money, and then they have only one naira mutual fund available. So here it is. This APF. Honestly, I don't understand. Let me click on explore mutual funds if there are more mutual funds available. Oh wow, I think as of the time of making this video, I've been able to see more mutual funds, but when I joined in, I think 2 weeks ago or thereabouts, there are no mutual funds available more. But I think that's a good idea. Anyways, so you can go, this is the one I invested in. So they are selling at 100 naira, and then I bought, how many did I buy again? But anyways, just go through it and see for yourself here, and you can invest in this one, invest in this. I think I'll still go and invest in this and that, or I could do that right away. So that is it for mutual funds. Let me go back to invest. Then we have this US stock. I'll go to US stock now. So for US stock, you have access to, I mean, hundreds of stocks that you can invest into with as little as $1. You can do that. Very, very simple to do. So if I click on my stock, I think I have about 3 different stocks I bought just for, I mean, small dollars. I mean, not even up to, I don't think I spent up to $2. But total stocks I bought here. I'm actually still trying it out. I'm experimenting to see if this is actually good. And in the morning, this was actually minus. I guess Meta stock went up a little bit. So I have Meta, I mean the Mark Zuckerberg's company. and then QLGN. I don't even know what these guys do, but okay, this is therapeutic. And then STSS, I don't even know, but I invested in them anyway. Like I said, make your due diligence. Don't just invest in whatever I'm investing in. So here are the three stocks I'm able to buy here. So before the end of the video, I'm gonna fund my wallet and buy some more stock so that you see how it is done. So if you click on explore here, so just under my stock, I don't think you're gonna see anything. So here it is. These are list of stocks. I mean popular stocks. Here are the whole stocks you can use and put in your money wherever you want, even in Tesla. And that is it. For instance, I clicked on Tesla, and then this is it. About this is the total, whatever it is. But what I just want to do will be to buy a little. So, but let's not get down into that. Let me just show you the last thing on savings, so that I will go ahead and fund my wallet and do this in front of you, and let's see how it's done. So for savings, there are four types of savings. Actually two types. One is in naira, one is in dollar. Each of them are in 2-2. So you have this first one that is for, I think, a long-term savings. I mean, the OPTI flex, and it allows you to save and earn attractive returns on your money in naira with zero charges on withdrawal. So here you can see I have a plan. Don't mind me, this money is not actually for purchasing a land. It's just, we're just looking for a name to call it. So here is it. How I made this is simple. Click on create a plan, and then they'll tell you you are earning 13% annual. This is what you'll be making on that, and that is okay. So, and then I have another one here of OPTI lock. I have about 16,000, and then this is the dollar one. I've not done anything here. Probably I'll do it at the cost of this video. And then for these two, but one thing I want to tell you here is for this, I set it in such a way that the money reinvest. I think I reinvest one, not reinvest, I invest freshly 1,000 every week, and is on my settings. Yes, auto invest. So every week I invest about 1,000 naira. Yeah, that is it. And the next one will be coming on night. So as long as I have the money on my account, my bank account is just gonna come up. So let's go on and let me come to my wallet and pay in money here for investment, so that we just complete this video. I'm trying to make sure that I don't make any other video on Optimus, so that I can make video on something else. So let me just complete it all in one video. So I'll click on fund wallet, and then Nigerian bank. I think I should use card since I'm using my phone to shoot. Make the video to be difficult for me to make transfer. So I want to add 5,000 naira and fund. So the funding fee is 0. Let me go ahead and get my card. Okay, I think I want to do that with my Zenith Bank. So once you don't put in your card details, just click on pay, and that should be it. And an OTP has been sent to my number, and amazingly, number is not here. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to make transfer and then come back to complete the video, or let me just make the transfer with my phone, so my face will have to go. So here's my OTP. I'll use that. So to conclude this, I'll simply click on authenticate and then let it connect to my bank, and let me finish this process. Click on proceed and then let it finalize. Don't want to save this. So here the payment has been successful, and then let's see my wallet. Instantly the money should have appeared on my wallet. Okay, so as you can see, the 5,000 has been have appeared. So let's quickly go ahead and invest this money. So all right, so we'll quickly go ahead and start investing this money in different ways. So the first thing I would want to do would be to invest in mutual funds. So I'm just going to put in a little portion of the money. Remember that this is an experiment, so you can put in 1,000 or 2,000, or start with 5,000 and just spread it across and see if it is something you want to get into. And then I would come to here. So here I'll go to home. I think I'll to portfolio and look for mutual fund. Yes, under home I'll come and check mutual funds. So blah blah blah, explore Nigerian mutual funds. Good. And then I think for dollar mutual funds, yes, I'm not allowed to do that. So it's okay. Anyways, I'll just click on explore mutual funds. And since I've already invested in this APTF, that's it, I would invest in another one, Afriverse Equity Funds. Sorry, let me just confirm the name of the one already. Yes, that's APTF. So I can invest in this or this, and these are quite high. But let me just click on invest. That's just how you do it. And then am I seeing high risk? I already have an investment here. Go back. Let me check this. This is low risk. That's why I turned back. This is telling me low risk, and this is saying high risk. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. This has gained 74.5% for the past 1 year. This has gained what? 3 point something percent past 12 months. You know what? I'll just go with the high risk. I mean, no risk, no gain. And then this is, just take your time to read through this. This is the buying price, this is the selling price, exactly the same thing for now. And font size is a total of 412.7 million naira is available for people to get. So I will just click on go down, and now this mutual fund, I believe from my little research of mutual funds some years back, it's all about taking your money and putting it into different companies. I don't know if I'm correct, but that's my own understanding of this. So these guys, they just help you, the stockbrokers. Optimus at this point helps you to take the money and spread it into different companies. And history has it that, I mean, people practically don't lose money in mutual funds. So the fund composes of cash, treasury bills, bank placement, and commercial papers and bonds. So I think treasury bill, that should be the government. So I think it's the government taking money from you. Anyway, like I said, I'm not a financial expert. I mean, I have zero knowledge about finances. I'm just trying to learn anyways. So I'll click on invest now. And then here are the terms. So read it through and then proceed. So the amount I want to put in is just let's say 1,000. It depends, some of them might tell you minimum, say 1,000, and I'll click on continue so that I can use the money and do other things in this video. So now you get this. I'm buying about 3 units. Each unit about 331, so I just want to buy 3 units. So here it's asking you how often do you want to be investing. So I don't want weekly, I don't want monthly, I just want to do it just this once for now, and select just this once and click on continue. So here is how you select how you want to make the payment. So you can do it from your Naira wallet or MasterCard, or add a new card, it doesn't matter. But since I've already added the money to my wallet, so to say, you don't even need to add the money to your wallet before you start. But instead of me, each time I want to invest, I will start adding my card, paying directly from my card. I prefer adding some amount of money in my wallet and then from wallet do that. So I'll simply click on this wallet and then reinvest dividends. Yeah, I personally do this so that any profit that enters, it comes back inside, just to make sure I get the full benefits. I mean, using compound interest. So you have to accept the terms and then create. So good job. Within 24 to 48 working days, so possibly by Monday, I'm making this video on a Thursday evening, so possibly by Tuesday, Monday, it should be okay, or before then. So that is it here. I've already done how to do the mutual funds investment. So let's go into another one that will be the US, then US own. Yes. So but before I do that of the US, I need to have money in my dollar wallet. Then from my dollar wallet, I'll move the money to my dollar investment wallet, right? What do they call it? Dollar, oops, forgotten. I think let me just go to my wallet. So yeah, trading, sorry, I have my US wallet and then my trading wallet. So the first thing I want to do will be to swap money to from Naira to US. So I'll just click on swap. So accept is okay. So how much do I want to put in dollars? I think maybe $1 is okay. I'll just put a dollar there. I have 4,000 remaining. How do I split the 4,000? A dollar is about 1.6, so $2. I can't do up to $2. Let me do, let's say, 2,500 naira. No, let me just do 2,000 naira. I'll use the other ones to complete. Okay, so yeah, I have about $1.2 for 2,000 naira, which is okay. So I'll review order. Processing fee is 0. They're not charging anything for that. So I'll swap it now. So it has been swapped. So you can see my money from 5,000 has reduced to about 2,000. So that is it here. Let me now go to my US trading account. So I have a total of 1.3. I had about 0.1 something before. So here, what I'll do again will be swap. Is that swap? Nope. Nope, that wouldn't be swap. Okay, so now I've successfully done that. We can go ahead and go back to US stock and start buying some stock. So I actually wanted to buy from Tesla. I mean, who doesn't want to invest in Tesla? These you can take your time and do your research. I keep saying that. So this for Tesla. Let me see how much $1 can buy for me. So this graph simply tells you how successful it has been. You know, started from here, went down. From my own understanding, I think those that make the actual profit in buying stock from here are those that kind of bought it when it's here this low and now it is this high. Imagine if you bought it when it was this low. I think the date is what, that's 4 months ago, 19th of April, and now we are, which date is this? This is July and now is August. So imagine how much you would have made. Your money would have possibly tripled if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, let's start now. This is where we are now. So let's go ahead and complete this standard market. I think that's the one I use. So how much do we want to put? I just want to put in, or is this coming 0.9, now going 0.6. Why is this thing? Okay. It's actually telling me that I don't have any money in my trading fund. So this is where I'll just simply come here and click fund trading wallets. Here again is my trading wallet. I need to fund it. I think I should be able to do that. Is it from portfolio? Nope. Okay, under wallet, and then go to this trading wallet, then fund wallet. Yep, so that's where you do it. So let me just take it again in case you missed it. Once you come back to your wallet, you select trading wallet and click on fund wallet, and then simply fund it from here to there. So the amount I want to fund will be 1.3. Let me just use everything, and I hope there are no charges yet. There are no processing fees. So here I'll transfer it to my wallet, and it is done. As you can see, trading wallet is 1.3, and then my US is okay. I think it's just a totality of both this and that, I believe so. Yep. Okay, so let's go back to our investment, back to US stock, and let me go back and look for Tesla. That's the one I wanted to invest in. Okay, so here is my purchasing power. You can see my buying power is 1.3, so I'll just use the whole 1.3 to buy. So I'm getting an estimated 0.00 which is very, very poor. But I mean, when you don't have money, you can only get what you have. So I'll click on review orders, and then so this is the fees they are charging, about 0.01. Money has finished too. So it's, at the end of the day, it will not be as if I'm investing 1 point. Okay, I think the money is not that much. It's not even up to, so I'm investing a total, yeah, 1.28. Not bad. So I click on confirm, and then I've in queue. So that is it, done. So maybe if I'm to check this, if I'm to check my stocks, I think it has not yet appeared there. Okay. However, so whatever, so here is the stock there already. It's just going down. Anyway, whatever it is, let the money go down. So that is how you were able to do buying stock. So that's how I was able to buy the US stock. And then again, the last thing I want to show us will be on savings. Okay, how you can set up some money aside instead of leaving it in your bank, and then any money you think you're not using to do transactions at the moment, you will just save it there and then get dividends in up to 20% interest, depending on how long you want it to last. So let's do that quickly. If I click on savings, and here we have two options, for two for naira, two for dollar. So for this is simply saying you create a plan, should be the long-term plan. So if I click on create, it says you earn up to 13% per annum. You can only withdraw 5 times a month. If not, you would lose the dividend. I mean, you forfeit your profits of that month on if you withdraw up to 5 times. So as to say, you can actually put in 1,000,000 and withdraw up to 5 times, but don't just go more than 5 times. So you still be getting profit anytime. So I'll just click on OK, and let me just call it I don't know what to call it. I'll just call it Jet Plan 1. I don't know. Just make sure the name is relating to what you want to use the money for. I'll just pick amount 1,000, which I think should be the minimum, and click on continue. And how often do you want to do? No, just once. I don't want to put this. Then click. I don't know if you're seeing this. Let me make this thing a little bit smaller. Sorry. So you can see the continue. Okay, so here click on continue, and then what do you want to invest it from? Here I want to do it from the remaining 2k. So here it is. What else do you need to know? Now, sorry, let me go back. I think, oh God, I have to do this again. Just 1,000, yes, just once. Okay, yep. Okay, all right. So just read through this very quickly. The interest is 13% per annum, and the start date is now. And then this doesn't have an end date. Okay, so you click on this and create it. It's as simple as that. So it has been created just now. Another thing you can do will be automating money that moves in, like I showed you earlier. So you can be putting in 500 every week, 1,000 every week. Once you're done creating that, you go back to it and check this auto invest. So auto invest, you turn it on if that's what you want to do. Once you click on auto invest, okay, sorry, it's off. You go to settings, rather. Under settings is the plan name. You have the auto, you turn it on, set how frequent you want it to be. If you want it daily, weekly, monthly, according to how your money enters. So, but let me come back here. So once it's on, the periodic amount, you set the amount of money you want to be coming in, to be using. Come back here. I don't want to set this. Then the next 7 date, okay, they will just show you your next 7 dates. And then the payment method, if you are to turn it on, you need to set the payment method. You can use this. Me, I already had my UBA accounts connected there, so they just deduct it. But I'm not turning that on here. So this is for OPTI Optimum. Let me just call it OptiFlex. So that is for OptiFlex. Now another one, OptiLock. This is more like a fixed deposit, if I understand. So here you can see I have the one of 15,000 and I have the one of 1,000. So to do this is still simple. You create a plan. You call the plan, and let me just call it phone setup. Okay, I already have phone setup. Let me say phone setup 2. And then go ahead and put the amount. I just put 8,000 just for this, and then click on continue. So how long do you want it to be? So here, if you have the money for 2 months, you have 13% returns. If you have it for 6 months, you have 18%. 9 months, I think 18%. 1 year should be 18% too. Yeah. But if you have it up to 2 years, that's about 20%. So the 1,000 I'm giving these guys ends up becoming 1,399. Let's just say 1,400. Yep, that should be. And here is my end date. This is the time I can withdraw the money. And mind you can actually withdraw the money before then. You just liquidize it. Is that what they call it? Liquidate. Yeah, liquidate it. Yeah, if I'm correct. So we select on funding source. I'm putting it 2 years. Still select this one. And then I've read the conditions. Then okay. How do this keep going inside? Oops, it's not too far. Okay, I'll create on the plan, and that is it. So it's 2026. I can take this money, and voila, the 5k I put in, I've invested it all. The money is still there, but you know, this is my net worth. This is my naira portfolio, about 25,000. My dollar portfolio, $2.5. And then if you check my wallet here, this is nothing is there, just 3 naira here, $0.02. And then that is it. I believe I've been able to take my time to split this out so you understand anyone you want to do. So here is my portfolio finally. And like we showed before, for this I have here. Now one thing I wanted to do was to show savings for dollar. It's actually the same thing, but just that you're doing it this time around in dollars, so there is no different. I actually wanted to do it in dollars, but I don't have naira again to do that, which is still simple. Let me just call this 2,200, and then you select the amount. I'm wondering why I didn't do this. Okay, here I don't have money to fund it, so I can't even do that. So it's just exactly the same thing you do in naira or in dollars, and it's as simple as that. So if you have any questions in regards to the things on the app, you can ask me. But if it is on finances and investment strategies, Honestly, I don't have an idea on that, but there are a lot of videos you can watch. Even this platform, these people themselves, they have their YouTube account, which I would put in the description as well. You can go to the YouTube and learn more if you want to learn about the investment. But remember, if you want to sign up, just check on the first link in the description. That will be the link to signing up, and then you sign up and get started. Thank you guys for watching the video. My name is Stanley Chima. If you've not subscribed to my channel and you watch this video to the end, please do make sure to subscribe and like the video. It really encourages me to make more videos about how to make money online and invest money. Anyway, if you love this kind of content, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Now, if you also want to watch video on Optimus, click on the video up here or check on the second link in the description. That was a seminar I attended, organized by Optimus. You could learn more, and there are also question and answer section, so you can also click on the third link and learn about that also before you even start your investment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.